Research Center in Mountain View, and this is where the headquarters of Scanadu Inc. are located. So NASA Ames Research Park is a phenomenal place because it's a NASA campus, obviously, but there are also a few companies and a few universities located here working on very innovative products and projects. So very cool. We are in the Silicon Valley. Yeah, there is Carnegie Mellon in my bag. There is SU, Singularity University, and there are smaller companies doing great things like Made in Space. They actually they built the very first 3D printer to go to space. It's in space right now on the ISS station, and more known companies having an office here, such as Tesla, Virgin, and or Moon Express, you know, looking back, going to the moon. I mean, yeah, this is, yeah. Yeah, so Scanadu, we started in 2011, and we are building the next generation of medical devices for the consumers. The next generation of devices being very small devices, very efficient, very accessible in terms of price, empowering the consumer in understanding and managing their health daily, anytime, anywhere, and using the smartphone to display, record, or share the information. So for example, our very first device is called the Scanadu Scout, and this little device measures all vital signs, blood pressure, cuffless, so with no cuff, SpO2, oxygenation level without the clip, temperature and heart rate just by touch. You hold it with your hand, put it on your forehead, and sends everything via Bluetooth on your smartphone, and it takes only seconds. We also work on a urine test. Same thing, full urine test that takes only 1 minute, that you can do from anywhere. 12 reagents for UTI, pregnancy health, kidney health, liver, gestational diabetes, really the full thing. Again, 1 minute, very affordable. So that's the kind of things we are building. Yeah. Well, I think what we've been very, very clear about from the beginning is that what we are building we are building our devices to be medical devices. So we're really talking about medical data. So when you go medical, it has a lot of implications for you as a company. First, we want to go medical because as I said, we're dealing with medical information. This is very serious. Secondly, we are going medical because we want to empower the consumer to have access, manage, understand that data. But we also want the consumer to be able to share that data with the medical doctor. And for a medical doctor to acknowledge that data, to look at it and act upon it, it has to be cleared by the regulator, here in the US, the FDA. Also, of course, we believe in accuracy. We want the consumer to use accurate data. So it's really I love the wearables. I've been very inspired by them. Very inspired by the quantified self movement. Been involved from the very beginning. It really opened everything for us and other companies. It's just a very different route. And for us as a company, it also means that we are not only working on hardware, software, design. We work on clinical testing. We have a QMS team, regulatory team. So that's before your product hit the market, there are so many stuff you have to do to show that you are doing the right way. That's the difference. As soon as possible. We're working very hard, doing everything that is expected from us. The FDA knows exactly what we're doing. We know what they are expecting from us. So again, we are doing everything ASAP as well as possible. Those things have no shortcuts. You know, when you do testing, when you collect data, it takes time. So hopefully very, very soon. Yeah, I think, you know, I think that especially for the US, it has been a seller's market. I think it's becoming a buyer's market. I think that the consumer will change everything if we do it right. Not only Scanadu, I mean the ecosystem in general. I think that being able to develop devices that are doing a very, very good job, being very nice to use, again, affordable, being very fast at giving you results, will change everything. Once you equip the consumer with that kind of information, he or she will do incredible things. We'll build communities, we'll interact in a way we have not seen before, because what I've been suffering from is that when I started, I had no medical background. I just spent a lot of time at the hospital for my youngest son, and the day I realized that I did not understand my surrounding and the data, I realized that by understanding the data today would allow me to change the data of tomorrow. And that's what's happening for any type of industry or sector, and it's no different for medical stuff. So I think that once people have the right tools to be able to experience that, they'll do incredible things. So I think it will be very different in the sense that patient/consumer will be more treated and acting as customer. They will have better service, better access. They will own their data. I think that's very important. My data is mine. I should own it and do whatever I want with it. Yeah, we believe that we are the last generation to know so